machines, all the way down to residential mowers. So one of the things that Nate and I did get to try out that I was interested in trying out was one of those electric Toro mowers, that new commercial electric 60 volt thing. And I'll tell you what, it rips though. It really did. But that was the only thing that I got to kind of test drive or try out outside. But outside is every bit as big as inside, and there's just so many things out there. Spiker Spreaders was doing spreader races, definitely big. But I thought that electric Toro mower was pretty cool. I was surprised because that thing ripped.
Yeah. Like Brent grabbed the like the clutch system for the accelerator, and he almost had to start sprinting and running off with it. It was a little unexpected.
It went. But other than that, I mean, we've been obviously hanging out with these guys from Barenbrug, spending some time over here at the booth and talking with them. We spent a good amount of time chilling out with you guys and just making the rounds and seeing all of the other people that we were interested in talking to and meeting. All the people that have worked with us on our show. We had a great time hanging out with John Pocock and his wife from Pro Pete last night. So big shout out to Pro Pete and a big thank you to them for sponsoring the show and sponsoring the KOTG Lawn of the Week. And for us, that's a great partnership. We're super thankful for them. So it was really nice to meet John in person.
Doing a live podcast.
It was really nice to talk to him and spend time. They took us out to dinner last night. We got to sit down and kind of keep that relationship going. So that's not going anywhere, which I think is pretty great. That Pro Pete's going to continue to work with us on the Lawn of the Week giveaways and everything else. But what else? What else have we seen that we were really impressed with? I mean, there's so much that we could talk about, I think. But what would you say that you've been really impressed with? Nate or Zach?
I'm definitely impressed with the Spiker giveaway that they did. I mean, that's amazing. So
the Spiker giveaway that you won?
It's the giveaway that I won. So, but no, I mean, there's so. It's like I said, to me, it's just overwhelming. But it's just there's so many companies, and I mean, I thought maybe coming here there'd be like 2 or 3 mowers, and you got 10 companies here that have hoses, or you got and there's equipment here that I've never even seen, or obviously I don't need for like my yard and stuff, but there's crazy equipment here. There's clothing, there's everything from, I mean, it's directed more to commercial side, so you got full out trucks and stuff for making your racks for like the lawn care business, and if you need to take 20 string trimmers and mowers and all that stuff. I mean,
so how many free hats you reckon you got?
I like me a good hat, so I think my carry-on right now is pretty full of hats, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get another carry-on so I can take all these hats back. But no, it's fun.
Ole's got the flatbed. You loading anything up? You going home with anything?
No, not yet. I was hoping to.
I'm sending Olee home with some of my bush light.
Yep, taking home some bush light.
So.
There you go. Let's get that.
You got this. That's all right. Oh, it's all right. I'm sorry. I just won this. It's okay. So how's my earlobe looking?
One more.
Boomerang everywhere.
All right. Excellent.